Hello, my name is Adi Tokumbadiwai, and today on Export Tips, we're going to be talking about export payments. There are different payment options available to the exporter. The very first one we're going to be talking about is documentary credits, which is also called the letter of credit. It's presumed to be the safest form of payment in exports because typically what happens is that documents are exchanged between the seller's bank and the buyer's bank. And the buyer's bank gives an undertaking that payment is going to be made as soon as complying documents are presented. The second one, which is quite similar to the documentary credits, is the documents against payment or cash against documents. Is also similar to the letter of credit. The only thing that distinguishes both is that the bank here is not giving an undertaking that they are going to make payments on behalf of the importer. Documents are just exchanged between the banks, between the importer's bank and the exporter's banks, and are not released to the other party until payment is made. The last form of payment that we're going to be looking at is the advance payment. This situation implies that the products are not yet shipped, but the buyer decides to make payment to the exporter pending shipment of the products. This is usually based on trust. I hope you have learned something new on export tips today. Go to the comment section and state what payment option you prefer. Until I come your way again next time, it's bye from me. Bye.